Hey guys, it's Ivy from How to House. I don't know about you, but after a long hot summer, I'm ready for some cooler weather and cozying up near a fire. But what I'm never ready for is the crazy expensive electricity bills that sometimes come with the winter weather. So here are 7 steps to save you money all season long. First up's the front door, or really any door that leads to the outside. Drafts can add up to 30% to your winter utility bill, so using a handy-dandy draft stopper is an easy and super inexpensive way to save you in the long run. Tip number 2 is all about ceiling fans. And I know what you may be thinking. Fans? Why would I use fans in the winter? Well, hear me out. Running your fans clockwise at a low speed will gently draw up the cooler air from the floor and push the warm air down from the ceiling. This circulates the warm air, giving you a more comfortable temperature. Next up is windows. Now we've all been standing near a window in the winter and can physically feel the cool air coming in. Meet window shrink wrap. This insulating plastic easily adheres to your windows and can save you big bucks on those heating bills. And when the warmer weather creeps back in, simply remove it. Now to your water heater. Simply by lowering its temperature to 120 degrees, it can reduce water heating costs up to 10%. Moving on to the furnace. It has a filter and it needs to be checked every month. You can probably get away with only changing it every 3 months, but it's especially good in the winter to make sure it doesn't need to be changed more frequently to keep your house running more efficiently. Alright, these next 2 tips may seem like common sense, but we can't forget about them. First, the thermostat. 50 to 70% of your bill goes towards heating, so every degree you lower the temperature is money in your pocket. So make sure to turn your heat down when you're not home for long periods of time. Last but certainly not least, bundle up and get cozy. Putting on a heavy blanket can add up to 4 degrees of warmth. What things do you do to keep your house warm without breaking the bank? Be sure to let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.